Sunday Reset 2025, taking down Christmas decor, deep clean, install new carpet, and finally see the simple setup at the end of this video. You will definitely like it. Keep locked. Hi everyone, how has your year started? Did you enjoy the holiday season? I hope it was amazing for you all. In this video, we are setting the house after the festive season and giving it a fresh and cozy vibe. Here is what we are going to do. First, we bring down the Christmas decor, deassemble the Christmas tree. Next, we clean the TV area thoroughly. Since the TV was mounted just yesterday, we didn't get enough time or a chance to clean this space properly. We also clean and organize the space, including wiping down all the surfaces like the mirror, table, TV stand, making sure we touch every corner for a spotless result. If you haven't watched the TV setup and installation video, make sure you check it out. It's the last video on the channel. The big screen has completely transformed this area and elevated the space. And guys, I have good news for you. We have been accepted to YouTube Partner Program. Now, if you'd like to support my channel, you can send a super thanks. Your support means the world to me. If the videos I post are helpful to you or motivates you, kindly send your super thanks to me and I'll appreciate. Thank you for being part of this journey. We haven't fully monetized, but you can still send the super thanks. We are remaining with a few watch hours, and I hope by the end of this year we will have monetized our channel if all goes well. We have a lot more to do.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
This is not the final storage for this Christmas tree. We temporarily put in this black paper as we look for the box to store it. Remember, we are storing for a long period, so we are going to look for a proper way of storing this Christmas tree.
Keeps going on, and the melody of my escape, vibration of my soul, it sends me to the peak, without no regret. You got no love, without no love. You got no regret, without no regret. You got no love. A melody where I belong in this life.
By the time I was finishing this work, I was completely exhausted. It was so tedious to do this work, lifting things, moving things from here to there, clearing the whole room. It was really hectic, but I finally made it, cleaned the whole space, and now I enjoy the space.
Keeps going on, and the melody of my escape, vibration of my soul, it sends me to the peak.
For the ornaments, at least I got somewhere to keep them, and they will stay here till the next time we are going to decorate for Christmas, God willing. So this is the perfect place I got for these ornaments. As you can, space has started coming together. It looks now more open and airy, as you can see from that. And for the TV stand, this is for the previous TV. We are manifesting for a bigger one. Hopefully by the end of the year, we will have gotten a better TV stand. Keep watching to see what we will get.
Die out too hard. But we were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set our mind on fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
For the couch, we style it with grey and white pillow covers and a matching throw blanket, creating a cohesive and aesthetic setup.
For so long, I was living my life, oh so wrong, always numb in my mind, battled on, building scars from the knife. So far gone, I was blind. So now that I found what I was looking for, I'm shining a light on the dark that I was coming from. It never brought me down to my knees, where it wanted me to be. Turn on the love for myself, go on one more down. See me for me. As it falls out of sight, setting on all the shadows that I've overcome.
I DIY'd the pillows. As you can see, the white ones, I DIY'd them, and I like how choppable they are. For the pillow covers, the white ones, I got them from Smart Lady Homes, and the grey ones plus the throw blanket I got from Think Twice.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in.
I'll go in life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
And now let's install our beautiful white carpet, which is from Day to Day Mall in Eastleigh, adding a fresh and luxurious feel to the living room. It's giving clean girl vibes. Finally, here is the reveal of the room's final look. It's giving cozy, warm and inviting vibes with a touch of modern elegance. The lighting at night makes it feel even more magical, enhancing the ambience. The mix of textures, neutral tones ties the entire room together perfectly. Thank you so much for watching and for your continuous support. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos coming your way. See you in the next one. Bye.